Hi guys and good morning. Well, you can see what time is it now. It's 7:40. Later than usually, but it feels good not to hurry on. So yeah, it's a new week. I just want to take this little moment to wish all of you a happy new week. Enjoy this week. Yeah, stay blessed, stay positive. Yee! Stay blessed.
Hey.
Stay blessed, stay positive.
A little of me rubbing off on you, man.
So yeah, enjoy this week. Somebody's awake.
Look at him. Good morning. Oh, it's time for school. Come on. Yes, Papa is going to work.
Come here.
We're going to school. Where?
We're going to which school? The one that you wear uniform.
Down.
Yes, the one down. He's something else. Ah? It's time for breakfast, okay? You had finished talking to the fence?
Yeah. I love you.
Good. Drink more honey and lemon later when you get home.
Any tea that is here?
Tea?
Yeah, tea is good for.
What kind of tea? You want it to carry or you want it to drink now?
No, tea, just a packet to carry.
Tea is in there. Maybe the lemon, not that one. Close that one. To the left. Down the bottom. Whether the detox or the lemon, anyone. There's another one says lemon and something. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I'm here getting Tyler things ready for school. Monday morning. So it's time for school. So I'm packing his snack pan.
We are ready.
We're almost ready. It's time to go bath in a bit, but I'm packing your snack first. Okay?
Okay.
Do you want grapes to carry?
Yes.
Okay, Mama is gonna pack some grapes for you, okay?
And the apple.
An apple and juice. You want apple too?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll pack grapes and apple. No, I'm not gonna give you any kiwi today. How about just grape and apple, okay?
Okay.
The boss says he wants grape and apple, so Grape and apple chubby, I think. Yes? I love grapes, but you have to give him grapes without seed, and he doesn't like green grapes. I don't give him green grapes, but at fruit tasting at school on Friday, he came back and he told me that, Mama, I hate the green grapes. You don't like the peach either?
No.
And he said he doesn't like the peach. So he's not having the peach thing, nor the green grapes. But once is this black grape with the purple grape without seed, then he's fine. And he loves his apple. You don't play with his apple. You want to see Faves?
Yes.
See them there. Say morning, Faves. Alright, so in Tyler's snack pan today, he's having his grapes and apple. He's having a small mini cake, and then he's having his favorite chocolate smiley face biscuit. And then this is for snack for like when school finish at 4:30, he stay at aftercare, and then he have his favorite juice. And then this one is a compote. We call it compote in French, but it's like pureed fruit. He have this one at about 10 o'clock. So those are gonna go in his bag. Yes, baby. His lunch is going, snacks going in. And voila, bath is ready. Now it's time to go bath. Go on, let's go. I am here doing my morning routine, getting my baby ready for school to go and drop him. Right now it's time for me to head out, so I'm just gonna put down this camera. But first I just wanted to come on and tell you guys to have a good day, stay loved, stay blessed, as babe said earlier. And I'm going to run out to drop my baby at school. Say bye, Faith, see you later.
Bye, see you later.
All right, put your bag on.
For the gathering.
Yeah, hand over mouth, hand over mouth. Come, bag on.
I'm coughing and putting my hand over my mouth.
Very good, baby. Good job. You guys, I just got back from dropping Tyler at school, and I feel empowered to go for a run. So I'm gonna go for a quick run on the treadmill right now. That run was amazing. I wasn't gonna work out this morning, but then when I got back from dropping Tyler, I realized that I have a few minutes. So I said, you know what? Let me just get a quick run in. If you realize I'm not really in any workout clothes, I stayed in the shoes that I had on and everything. I didn't even change in my right gear that I usually work out in. And I just said, okay, I'm gonna stop running, and I feel my foot kind of feel weird. And I look down on my shoes. Let me show you guys what's happening right now. This happens when you have a whole lot of shoes and you don't wear them often. It's not even funny. I have this shoe since about 2000 and probably like 2010, but I had it when I used to do track. But because the style of the shoes, I didn't really used to run in it because of the shocks. So I normally just wear it when I'm going for a walk and stuff. But because I just went to drop Tyler this morning, of course, I just put it on. And I got back and I did a change in my workout shoes. And this is what happened. I'm gonna miss these shoes. Well, it has done its time. I got a few wear from it. Now it's time for it to go to the bin. Anyway, you guys, follow your mind and do whatever instinct is telling it to do, because if I didn't follow my mind this morning, I wouldn't have got that amazing run in. But now I'm going to go and I'm going to make some green juice first, then catch a bath and get a bunch of stuff done around here. So hopefully you guys have a good day, have a productive day, and throughout the day, just follow your mind. Love you guys. Apple, cucumber, ginger, no celery today. I think I'm taking a break from celery really, because recently I've been really enjoying the cucumber and apple blend, so I'm gonna stick to that for a while. Comment down below and let me know if you guys are fans of green juice. Do you guys make green juice on a daily like me? Do you make it every now and then? Do you give it to your kids? Are you guys really fans of green juice or no? Or you just haven't tried it? I know you guys have noticed that I still haven't got around to wash my hair. This year didn't get to wash, okay? And it won't get to wash until Thursday night, because we are leaving Friday night to go to a weekend event. And I'm saying that, listen, it don't make sense to watch it now. I'm gonna have to wash it to style it on Thursday night. So I'm saying, you know what? Let me just rock the natty. I just need to detangle it and I need to get around to it. But girl, I will get done at some point throughout the day. I promise you. I am in the kitchen about to get dinner done before I head off to work. So right now I prepped filet mignon. That's what I'm gonna make for protein. And then here I have some vegetable pasta. I wanted to try this fresh pasta, and this vegetable pasta is spinach pasta, so that's what I'm going to make for dinner with this filet mignon. And I have some corn left over in the fridge from last night, so dinner is well on its way. I just need to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and it will be ready. So instead of me going just a plain pasta, I decided that I'm just gonna try this, and I'm just gonna drop it in the water as is, 2 to 3 minutes, and that pasta will be ready. And now I'm going to get down to my filet mignon real quick to get dinner going. Here is finished cooking. So that's pasta right there, and that's the filet mignon. And I'm just gonna leave them in the pot because the boys will share theirs when they get home. I'm just gonna package mine and take it to work with me.
Hi guys, and good afternoon. I'm back from work. That was a long day. I'm super tired now, but I'm home alone with Tyler. Baby's at work and Tyler is hungry. Tyler is there watching TV and waiting on his dinner. Ça va? Ok, tu as faim? You're hungry, Tyler? Okay. Well, I don't know if he's hungry. He says he's hungry. Well, he put himself quietly in the chair. He's not locked. He put himself. I mean, I didn't do anything. So I hope he's hungry. I think he is. He's watching TV. He's quiet now. He's 6.5, so it's a good time for him. I'm gonna give him his dinner. That's some meat and some pasta, some green pasta. I think it's like vegetable pasta. I don't know what if he's gonna like it. So yeah, that's gonna be a discover. If you like it, well, at least he eats something green. But you know, it's pasta, but because it's green, let's see. C'est quoi que tu manges?
Porc.
Hein? Ok.
Maïs.
Oui.
Et pâtes.
Les pâtes, elles sont quelle couleur les pâtes? Elles sont vertes. Pourquoi elles sont vertes? Tu aimes? C'est bon?
Oui.
Ah, c'est vraiment... Papa, il va couper les pâtes pour toi?
Oui.
C'est bon? Regarde papa. It's good. Looks like you like it. Well, so looks like we have an answer. Tyler, when he saw the pasta, he said, "C'est quoi ça? What is that?" Yes, sir. They're green. But finally, it looks like you like it. So yeah.
We're gonna make it shout out goes to
Vivian Evans.
Vivian Evans.
Thanks for watching, Vivian.
Thanks for watching, Vivian.
We love you.
We love you.
Hey Viv, thanks for watching. I love seeing you down in the comment section. With that said, I went to work, got home, and now I'm going to put Nugget to bed because he has school in the morning. Are you ready for bed?
Yes.
Alright.
Because I want some gypsy in here.
You want to hear Gypsy RNA?
Yes.
Papa going to come play it for you, okay? Tell us, sing. Sing, Ty.
Gypsy, monte à la gouttière.
You guys, can you believe that I came home and guess what I feel for? Green juice. My natty is still not washed.
It looks nice.
Babe love when my hair is all like this. You guys, we're coming on to give you guys a Jamaican and the French expression for today, and I'm just gonna jump right into it. The Jamaican expression for today is "me de pana ends." Let me use it in a sentence or for an example so you can understand. If I call one of my cousins in Jamaica and say, "Where are you?" You know I'm gonna say, "How are you there? Where are you?" My cousin is gonna reply and say, "Yo, you know me de pana ends." Simple mean I am out somewhere. Usually it's somewhere good. They're up to something. They're just out somewhere. De pana ends. So when you're out somewhere, you're de pana ends. Yes.
You de pana ends.
Example, a lot of male in Jamaica always uses it when they're at their girlfriend's house. So if you call them and they don't want to directly tell that they're at a girl's house, they always say, "Yo, you know me de pana ends?" De pana ends. Yes.
Okay, so if somebody call me, I can say me de pana ends.
Yes.
Except if you call me, I can't tell you me de pana ends.
Yeah, what's the French expression?
The French expression, well, it's a word expression, but translated in French because we use it a lot in French, is "Faites l'amour, pas la guerre."
Okay.
Simplement, make love, not war. I know it's a word expression.
Okay.
Faites l'amour, pas la guerre.
Faites l'amour, pas la guerre.
Pas la guerre, right.
I love that. To make love, not war.
Yeah, make love, not war. It's like peace.
Okay. Alright. Alright, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes, and we're heading right to bed right now. Anyway, you guys, comment down below and let us know if you enjoyed today's vlog. Subscribe if you are new and give this video a thumbs up. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and make sure you turn on your notifications, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.